Okay, so now we'll start with the next topics. So that is like related to. So there is a one more concept will come in like HTML medias. So we are not sorry that is a graphics canvas and graphics. So that is not important much. So uh, like what is important like so then multimedia is there. One more like or else we can say media. So that is important. So where and all we are using like if I just go to here, uh, you are just going to see something like that. Netlify. So here also the Netlify, Netflix, Netflix, Spotify, like all your TV channels. Let's say Indian TV channels. How many Indian TV channels are there? So we have hundreds plus TV channels are here. So for that all, we are going to be what you can say. We are using this audio and video tags. Okay, what are all the audio and video tags we are using? So that is we are going to be discuss here. So let's say uh, okay. So totally how many TV channels are there? Let's assume around how many? Around India has a 905 satellite TV channels. Other local channels also there, but these are all the satellite channels, so the continuously running the channels. Okay, for to run this one, they are using a something called a multimedia. First, we'll understand what is multimedia. So multimedia is a it contains of a few things. We can say multimedia. One is called audio, video, images, all type of GIF and everything images, anything digital content, we can say as a multimedia. So let's say you are you know about a Hotstar, okay, and you know about a Spotify, Spotify or whatever the thing, Spotify. So what it is, Hotstar is a something like a OTT platform. So it is going to be play the videos and everything or pictures or something like that. So what is the coding or a basic standard coding will be there. So that is called a video tag. So that is by default HTML video tag. Spotify is a something like that a audio library. So again it is using the audio tag. So that is what we are going to be discussed today format. Okay. So like these are all what we can say developed with a different programming languages. So those programming languages we are going to be discussed here. Okay. So this is very important topic. So you have to be very careful about this one. Okay. The first one is what I want to create a one file, the index 11.html. See, uh, Monday there is a one mock interview. Monday or Tuesday randomly I can take a one mock interview. No worries, okay, it's not like a college. So try to prepare well. Whatever the topics I have explained till now. So I am going to give the recorded content as well. So recorded content already is there. The text content I will give you guys. Okay. Now whatever the topics here I mentioned, no, these are all the pakka interview question. If you could see, understand the concept. I don't want nobody wants a theoretical or a sentence. So, what is the class and idea attribute? Okay, whenever you want to bunch of a CSS, you are going to write it and use for a end location, then you are going for the class. The ID is a unique reference like that. Okay, so Monday, in the coming week, I will take one mock interview. So in the Saturday, Sunday, you have to be prepared and ready for that one. So why I am doing this one instance? So it is for the interview. What level you are preparing and all everything we are going to be seeing here. Okay, so then assignments will be given by the next week and all. Okay, you need to develop a Instagram clone, you need to develop a Netflix clone, like that. Okay, so that is the next we are doing the multimedia. Inside a multimedia, the first one is a video. Okay, so just I will take a 1H2 the video, control S. Okay, so there are different types of format is there. MPEG is there, AVI is there, BMV is there, real video is there, flash video is there, OGG is there. So different types of videos are there. Okay, so for that, how to use this one? The a video. For the video tag, so what is the command we need to use it? As the name itself indicates, so we need to use the video tag. So here you no need to write any what we can say script or something like that. So just use a video start and end tag. Okay. So then you need to use a one thing called a source. What is a source? From where it is a coming the video. So here it is a SRC and here then the a type. Okay, it might be an video or a OGG. So this is a different types of files will be there. Okay, so now source, this is how it will be there. So I need to go for a one video here. So I think I will just go here, images, so free stocks and videos. I will take a, see this is the pixel.com is a one website. You will get a free videos and audios. So I will just take a one video. Mm, okay, so let's load this video. Search here. Something nature videos. Okay, so this video I will download here. So I will download. Okay, it is going to be get here. So see, this is the what is the format? MP4 is the format. So here it is downloaded, but I need to add inside of my folder. So for that, cut here. Where is my folder? Inside the D drive, stream IO, training batches. Here I have my folder. I will add here Control V. So just I will go one more time. Go here, select here, cut here, and Control V. So here it is there. Okay, here it is a video. So what I will do, the source just uses double forward slash add here. Okay, so this is a mp4 is a video. Save it, right click, open with the live server. See, it looks like this. Okay, it is taking the full width of the screen and it is not showing anything. So for here, I can use a something called I will set the width equals to 600. Okay, and I will add a something called a controls. Save it. We'll go here. See here. If I play means it is going to be play inside of my browser. So what it is? So it is a A video tag, it is giving a inside my browser, so you can build a n number of what you can say video attributes. Okay, so I can, if I remove means what happens, control S will go here. So you are not going to be find anything, play, pause, increase, decrease, and everything. So for that, control is the one thing, it is going to be give the pay, pause, increase, and everything. See, if you want to maximize, it is going to be maximize. It is going to play, it is going to be forward, everything. If you want to playback speed, download, take a picture. So it is like a inbuilt, what you can say, media player, VLC player type. So you can build a application like this. You can build a own platform. So Disney and all they are using this video format only. See, if I want to see any like cricket matches, so highlights. So if you just click means it is going to be play here. So how it is playing? So that is the uh, video tag only. Okay. So that's why you should know the what is the how to use the tags and everything. Okay, so this is a one video tag. So what if I have a, you can build your own Netlify, what we can say, Netlify or Hotstar channel. So you can build like this, take a videos from here, and you can work on it. So it will print like this. So you can play multiple videos in the one browser. So it will like this. Okay, so audio tag, sorry, video tag is what? So here is the video starting tag and end tag. So width will be 600 pixel, and the controls will be for the play, pause, and everything is there. This is the source, and this is the video tag, and the type video or OGG. So our type is a video is there. Okay, so you can use a video tags like this. Okay, the next will come. The next will come the audio. So video is over. The next is the audio. Why we need audio? So if you want to have a Ghana, different types of what you can say, uh, uh, how we can say, different types of examples are there, right? Okay, so different like let's say if you want to build a Spotify. What is a Spotify? This is the audio library. So if you click here, it is going to play the song. Okay, see here. If I want to click here, it is going to be ask for a sign up for a free. So when the sign up for free, this is called a what you can say a login form. Okay, see here. This is a form. Yesterday we have learned, right? So if I click here, it is going to be ask for the form. Okay, so here validation and everything you have to take care of, so no worries. So here what we can say, videos we got to know. Now we are going to go for the audio. Just I will go here same page. So just I will use a one term called audio. Again same thing, I will use a one hr means what, horizontal line. So then I will use a h2, the audio, audio examples. Okay, so here what I am going to do, I am using the audio. Okay, so here either you can use a source here, so or else you can just use like this. Again same controls, then source. What is the source? Where is the video is coming from? So here src equals to uh, then your file name dot mp3. So what is the audio file? Dot mp3, almost all it is there. So type audio or a mpeg. See, some browsers will not support because of if you use the Internet Explorer for older version, so there you will not get a support for that. So you have to take care of your browsers as well. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to need a mp3 files here. So already I have some mp3 file in my system. So where is that one? Audio and video, yeah. So I think here we have a audio files, something. Yeah, I will take this one, right click, copy. Where I have to paste it? In the HTML folder, control V. So our all notes is the mp3 file is there. So just I want to use inside my website. Okay, so just use the forward slash. See, you need a mp3 file here. See, arrow notes dot mp3. mp4 is for the video. So just you select this one, control S. Again, if you just go to the browser, see here it is there. So this is the audio tag we are using. Okay. So again, you have a increase and decrease the volume and everything, and you can download this video. So if you want to make a some like a fast move and everything. Okay. So if you want to make a, this is as usual normal MP3 file, it will be happen, and you can play and you can plus. Okay, so this is how you are going to be use the video tag. So how is using the Ghana? Ghana is using a, this is a same audio tag only, uh, Ghana.com. Okay, so here you will get, and Spotify is the one thing. So if you just if you want to play this Hanuman song, so you just click on this and it's going to be play the a video. Okay, so this is how it is, what you can say, audio library we can say. So you can build your own, because internally it is a audio tag only, but they have written a CSS and everything. It looks good, all text and everything. If you just do inspect and you can see here. Okay, so if you just see the tag here, so you are going to be see here. Okay, so this is how you are going to be build your own audio video tag. Okay, so here I used a one thing called a controls. I will just remove this one, control S. If I just go here, so it will not show anything here. Why? Because the controls is the only thing it is going to be show all the, like what we can say, icons and all everything. Okay, so this is called the audios. Okay, so we have something called uh, different types of keywords are there. See, if you want to make a automatically play, so just you have to use. See, some browser it will not work because of this is a browser dependent. See, I have not done anything. I will let's just reload. Reload. Yeah, I will just close this one. I will just right click, open with the live server. I will just use a remove this one. Control S. I will use a autoplay. Yeah, as I told, sometime browser issue will be there. You have to take care of that one, because some browser it will happen, and some browser it will work, and some browser it will not work. So then you have a autoplay muted. So one more option will come, muted. Control S. If you just go here, see here, automatically it is muted. See, if I close this one, if I right click, open with a live server, see here, automatically it is muted here. I will just unmute and will do play. Okay, so this is called a what you can say, audio and a video tag. So we have a different types of controls and everything. Okay, the next it will come called plugins will come. So you no need to discuss about plugin. Okay, just we'll go for a brief plugin. What is a plugin means? So plugin is a it's like a some set of a program. So it will give the some standard functionality. So let's say we have you might see about some Google Play plugins you need to install to if you just go here, search for the Google plugins. So what is a plugins? See, if you want to take a full image capture or something like that, these are all called a plugins. See, React Developer Tools, these are all the plugins. See, I want to take a full image capture. So we have a one plugin here. What is that one? If I just say here, go full image capture. What it will do? It will give the a complete image picture. I will just show you. See, it will take a full image picture of the video and it will submit in the output. The output will be something like that. So this functionality who is giving? So it is a subset of a program. They made a plugin and they attached with the Google Chrome. So that plugin we are using. So like that we have a HTML plugin. So just we are going to be discuss this one. Discuss the first one is the object object. So one is a data is there. What is the data? I will use a index 10.html and I need to set the height will be around 400 pixel and width is around 700 pixel. Control S will go here. See what is happening here. See, this is my last web page. We have discussed about the forms and attributes and everything. No, so if I am using an object, I am inside a index11.html. I am calling a index10.html. It means it is displaying a website within a website. I can use a HTML file. I can use a YouTube or anything. So like that, or else I can use a image file. So let's say virat.png is there. So just I will use a control S. See, object means what? It is like a iframe only. Then there is a one more is there that is called a embed. Embed also it will do same thing. Okay. So plugins in the interview they will ask what is a plugin. So plugin is a some set of a programs. So that will be made to act a specific task. So next is a I want to print a YouTube videos. So here what happens? We have a different video formats. MP4 is there. As last discussed, different format videos are there. Let's see. I will just search here. Video formats. What are all the video formats are there? See, MP4 is there, MOV, VMV, AVI, AVCHD, MKV, WebVM, or HTML5. So If you have a file, then you have to mention the type. But we don't know. Like some people will upload a MP4. Some people is a AVI files and everything. We are not sure what file they are going to be upload. To overcome this one, so if you use instead of video directly, if you use a YouTube, you don't need to see about what type of video and everything. Okay, so just you have to call the video. So here what happened, I will take a one horizontal line, then I will take a h2 the YouTube. YouTube, what is the YouTube? So YouTube, which is going to be print the video. So iframe source, what is the source? YouTube is a source. In the YouTube, you no need to think about what type of video or anything. So just you have to add a key. So what is the standard basic path? Basic path will be https colon double forward slash www dot youtube dot com forward slash embed embed, and here I need to mention the ID. What is the ID? So for that, I will just go to the YouTube. Okay, so let's say this is the is Devin is lie. So I will just go here. I think you might heard about the Devin, right? Okay, okay. So I want to play this video. So just I will go here, share. I need to find the ID. Okay, so I think I will copy this one and I will paste here. So I think this is the ID I need to add here. Control S, right click, open with the live server. Yeah, it's not showing it is not showing a proper output. So I think what is the exact ID? Is it this much ID? Control X, Control V. So copy, Control V, Control X, and I will just use this one ID. Save it. Load. Let's see whether will still as an issue. So what I will do, I will use some other what is this one, AI on Fireship. Okay, so I will take some videos, Linux. So the okay, so just I will take this one, copy. So or else I will use a embed. Okay, I will just copy this one, copy. I will use a see iframe. Yes, so this is the ID. Control S, right click. Sorry, we'll go here. See, same YouTube, it is playing inside my browser. Okay, so I want to my ID to display here. I will just copy, Control V. I will just comment it, Control S. Will go here, will print here. See, this YouTube channel is here, it is running. Okay, so that is it is running inside my browser. So if you just see what are okay, so what I want the height and width. So for that, you just use the width is around the 600 pixel, and the height is around the 400 pixel. So Control S, and we'll go here. Okay, so if you means, so this is how it is going to be printed. Okay, so if you want to print any videos or something like that, you don't have any restriction here. So if you just print anything, any actors news or something like that. Okay, so here I want to take this one. So just I want to display inside my browser. So if I just go here, share, let's embed. So then you need to copy this uh, title, or this, sorry, this ID. Control C. If I just go to the my browser, I will take this one whole, Control V, Control S, right click, open with the live server. It is going to be open here. So we have not copied properly, I think so. I will go one more time. Embed everything is okay. Okay, I will copy this one. We'll go here, paste here, Control S. We'll go here. Yeah, so sometimes some videos are unavailable because of the copyright issues, and sometimes it is a browser issue. So it is not printing here because of some security reason, because some YouTube videos are paid. Because what happens, no, you are going to be take this video and you are adding to in your own account. Then it will what happens? So it will be count will be shared to you, or else views will be comes to you. So that is why I want to use some security reason, so that is not going to be play here. Okay, so this is called a what we can say YouTube videos. So just I will use a that's Control S. So this is a I want to use a the old videos only. Just click here. Okay, so it will open. So that is we know this one. So next, what we are going to, we need to use a sum of the, what you can say, the keywords. Okay, so what is the keywords? After this one, just add a question mark, autoplay. Auto play equals to 1. Control S will go to here. It's reloaded. Okay, so sometime I made it the autoplay equals to 1, but still it is not playing. Why? Because due to the browser restriction, we have restricted some of the plugins or pop-ups, or it should be like avoided. So that's why it will be not what you can say, it is not played because of what you can say, security reasons. Then you have a one more thing called a mute, and mute equals to 1. Control S will be okay. So the mute option is here. So if you just understood how to integrate a YouTube videos, that's more enough. Because of some customers wants to their YouTube video should be inside their browser. Some of the like let's say Byju's is there, so those Byju's videos are they are available to their website. So that is their wish. So that is why all the videos you need to host into YouTube, and those videos you are going to be fetch inside a your what you can say system. Okay. The next what we are going to do, we are going to discuss about some of the Google APIs. Okay, what is important in the multimedia? So you know how to use the images and all, then how to use the videos, and how to use the audios, and how to use the YouTube. So why to use prefer YouTube? So you no need to consider what type of video format it is. So just add id tag and it will play. Okay, the next is what uh, HTML, that's the APIs. Okay, what is the API? So API is the application program interfaces. So so we are going to be discussed about one by one. So one is the first one is the geolocation. Okay, what is a geolocation? Whenever you use something called, let's say, mm, Uber or Ola, Ola booking. So if you want to search the location, see here it is fetching a second block Rajajinagar, something like that. See here, we need your location. Continue next step. See, it is asking for the your location. So how it is giving? So I have logged into my system. So through the connected through the my Wi-Fi. So that Wi-Fi is having the IP address. From there, it is going to be give the location. So I am making a allow here. So it is going to be see number 33rd May near Vasanaike, something like that. From it is so I need to search my location, something like that, or else you can just get the current location. So this is how it is just showing like this. Okay, so I want to do these features. So if you want to go for some destination, I will search for the airport, Kempegowda International Airport. So this is how it is giving. But how this option is coming, so this location is coming. So that is what we are going to be discussed here. Okay. So first what I want to do, I will write a one code here. So how to write a code? So that is a index 12.html and the document. See, three topics are there. If you explain three topics means your HTML is over. So we'll wind up this session. Okay. The geo location. Okay. So what I will do, I will call a one method. So script. See, some of the inbuilt APIs are there and plugins are there. So those plugins are helpful to get the location. So first what I will do, I will take a one button. So that button get the location. Okay. So then I will call the on click is an event. Don't worry about what I am writing. So just understand the concept. I am making a one button by clicking on that one. It is fetching the location. Okay. So now here method is get location. Okay. So get location always uses something called a camel case. The method should be like this. So get location control s. Okay. So then it will call the function here. What is this function? Function get location open close brace. So this is a my function. If I have a function not here inside, if bracket open close brace, in the bracket we have a navigator dot geolocation, navigator dot geolocation. If there, then we have a one function called a navigator dot geolocation geolocation dot get current position. So get current position. Okay. So here I will use a one show position, a variable. Okay. So here what happens? So it is going to be navigator dot geolocation or get current position, show position. If it is else block, what we are going to do? So we need to send the something called a error message. X dot inner HTML equals to, you can pass the custom message, not supported. Okay, so now here what happens, in the top I will use a constant temp equals to document dot get element by id bracket. What is the id we need to pass? So I can pass the demo. Okay, so this is a one demo is there. So here what happens? So here I'm calling the show position. What is that show position? So that is the show position is a one thing. It is going to be show the position of your location. I will call the function show position bracket open close brace x dot inner html. Okay, equals to, I can use a latitude plus position dot coo chords dot latitude. Okay, so latitude. Next one is a longitude. So don't worry because what I am writing and everything. So just have a look. Okay, so here I will latitude, longitude. Okay, so here x dot inner html, it is going to be print the a value. So longitude, so again same thing, position dot chords dot longitude. Okay, so this is, it has to be print the output. What is this one? I have taken the first what I have taken here. So I have taken a one button here. So that button, what it contains, the on click is an event and get location is method. Where it is calling, here it is calling. So this is my normal text. When I click on this one button, and it is coming here for the get location. Inside a get location, what it is there, we have a navigator dot geolocation. Okay, Okay, so geolocation, uh, that is a geolocation, I think small letter. So geolocation will be there, and get current position. So get current position, show position. We are calling a one more function. So that is I have displayed in the below. So here it is calling inside a show position. Yeah, we need to pass a one more variable. We are calling a position. So that position we need to call here. So okay, position, because we are passing a value position x dot inner html. So that is we are printing a value here. Okay, so x dot inner html equals to latitude. So this is a text string. Okay, you don't need to worry about what it is. Text string position chords latitude, longitude is position chords longitude. Okay, so this is it has to be print the output. So for that, right click, open with the live server. Okay, we will see Control Shift I, because if any errors or something, it is going to be shown here. Click here. See, it is asking 127.0 wants to know your location. Yes, I will say hello. Okay. See, here it is a show position. It is shown. Why I use the browser in the sense. So here it is telling that the reference X is not defined, where the index 28.html. Okay, so yeah, so we have just made X here. Control S, get location. The cannot read the properties of inner HTML, and I need to a demo I am referring, but I am not defined here. So for that, I will use a h2 hash demo. Control S. If I just show here, again I will get here. See here, the latitude, longitude is this one, 77 point is there. So latitude is undefined. So what is the mistake? It is there. Uh, Position dot. So I think latitude spelling correct. Yes, I mistake. That is a latitude. Latitude. Control S. Run it. See, this is my location. This is the latitude and this is the longitude. So if you want to make some color, so how to write that color? A style. The color will be Control S. See here. So I will make a alias blue to normal blue. Control S. Get a location. See, this is the latitude and this is the longitude. See, this is a one API. So by default, it will give the browser as like you are fetching your current location, right? So internally, it is a your one what you can say longitude and latitude only. Where you will get if you just go to the Google something like that. If you just type a IO technology, something like that. So if you search for the maps here, every map is having a longitude and a latitude. Okay, so if I just click here, uh, Bitstream IO technologies, say I will click this point. So you will find a longitude and latitude. See here, 12 point. So this is a latitude and this is the longitude. Okay, so here we will get a 17 something like that. So that is a latitude is 12.97, so 12.99 something like that. So if you vary the places, so then definitely it will changes the some value. Okay, so this is called a longitude and a latitude. The next two more topics are there: session storage and local storage. Throughout your life, if you become a software engineer, throughout your life you are going to be deal with a session storage and a local storage. Okay, what is a local storage? So just I will use a something called a, see, what is the say when we are using the session storage and local storage, just I will explain one scenario. See, you have a one login page for the any Facebook. Okay, you have a username and you have a password and you have a one button here. So once you click here, so it is going to be hit to the your server. Okay, so your request is hit to the server. So then again it is going for a your database here. Okay, where is your database? So database is here. Okay, so it contains all your information and it is going to check for the database. Okay, so it will check for the database. It will check for the database. Let's say Virat 123, and from the front end to the back end it is going to be hit, and it will check for the Virat and 123. If the data is there, and it is going to be redirect to the your dashboard. Okay, where it will redirect, it is redirect to the dashboard. Got it? What it is give, it is redirecting to you, will it will give one secret key for you, because it is your valid user only, or else anybody can hit you to your account. So if you're not an user, if you not an user, what it will do, it will tell like that. Okay, if you're not an user, it is telling like that. Okay, so invalid user, please log in with the proper credential. Okay, so in the success scenario, you entered your Virat and 123 proper user and password. It is coming for the backend. So backend to the database. Okay, if the Virat and 123 inside a database, it is going to be give your all profile information from the last 10 years you are using the Facebook means. It is giving all your last 10-year post, comments, likes, post, anything, friend request, everything it will show. But it will send a one key called a, that is called a token. Okay, what is that one? So it will send the one thing called a token, or a, it is a key. Okay, so every time whenever you want to upload a post, you need to pass the token or a key. Whenever you want to send a friend request, you need to pass the token, because you are authorized user. Okay, it is telling that authorized user. So it is sending the token from the backend to the client side. So that is we need to store into local storage. So that is called a local storage. How? Local storage dot set item of token, and well, this is something, some token value, something like this. Right click, open with the live server. Okay, control shift I, you just go for the application. We'll go here. See here, your token is here. Got it? So whichever I have stored here, so that is a here. So how we are going to set? By using a local storage dot set item and a token and a value. Okay, this is the token and this is the value. So how to get this one? So to get means uh, constant ABC is temporary variable, local storage dot get item of a token, control S. So I need to print write this one. So for that CLZ ABC, control S, we'll go here. See, this is the number it is printing, right? After getting a token from a local storage. See, first I have set the set item means it is setting where local storage. Where is the local storage? Local storage inside the browser in the application. Okay, see here. Here it is a token and here it is a value it is fitting here. So local storage of set item token. This is the token, this is the value. So here what I have local storage is get item token, so I have get the token that is stored to abc console.log. After getting the tokens of the local storage, it is going to be printed in the console here after getting the token. So this is called a local storage, and one more thing it will call the session storage. Session storage means it is available for only the that browser or a session is available. Okay, so if you this much understand means it will be more enough. What it is a pakka interview question. What is a local storage? What is a session storage? You might a little bit confused. You might get a little bit confusion. So you just go through the recorded video one more